What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video guys, I'm gonna be teaching you the song called Beautiful Monster by Neo. Okay, so tara guys, let's go to the studio and start. Alright everybody, let's start. Wait. So let's do it quick on this one now. Because this is very easy, but the steps is a bit faster. So it goes like this. So make sure you're in your right side, a little bit to your right. So it goes like 1, chest 2, 3, dip on 4, 5, 6, copy? One more time. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Copy? Then 7 up on 8. Make sure it's square. 8 for the last time. So 5, 6, 7, and side. 1, chest, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next side. 1, 2. Copy? Then 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, close on 8. One more time. So here we go. And 1, 2, close. 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Combine first and second. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, over 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up, down, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue from 7, 8, cross step back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple as that. Then 5, 6. So put your legs like that. So this is 5, 6, and 7, 8. Continue and 1, 2. Cross 3, be careful to this one. 4, lift on 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Yes. One more time. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, so make sure 5, 6, cross 7, 8, cross 3, 4, 5, 6, jump on 7, 8, punch 1 and 2. Let's combine from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Next, from 1, 2, kick 3, back on 4. So this is kick 3 and 4. Cross 5 and 6, away on 7, 8. Okay? The count is wrong, right? Let's try. What's the last? This is 1, 2, kick 3, 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yes. Step 1 and 2. One more time. So 1, 2, kick front, 3, 4, cross, 5 and 6, 8, front, 1 and 2. Next, isolation, 3, 4, side, 5, 6, glide, 7 and 8. Good job. One more time from here. 7, 8, kick 1, 2, 3, and 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's try first from the beginning, so you won't get lost. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Almost. Next. 7 and cross. 1, 2, roll your hand. 3, 4. For this one, be careful. You're gonna go 5, 6, going back. 7, 8. One more time. So 7 and 1, 2, roll. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can walk back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! And for the last step, chorus, it goes like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple as that. One more time. So the lyric said, it's a monster. Everybody sing. It's a monster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. So move back a little bit. And last 4 counts. Is it last one? 8. Go to the back. 1, 2, 3. Turn around. 5, 6. Roll and finish. Yes. Okay, let's start from the beginning. All of it. Smooth and slow. Come on. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, roll. 5, turn around. Stop, jump. Oh, walk back. 5, 6. Chorus. 4 times. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. To the back. Jump. That's it. Jump. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on our video. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. So tired.